in this station, you are going to use this mat, which is laminated. So you also need a dry erase marker to write your answers with. And you're going to need a stack of cards that are labeled fractions. So these ones here. You start in the middle of your pack. Sorry, not in the middle of the pack, I mean the middle of your chart. And it says choose a target number. So flip one of the cards and you can write it down right here. 2/10. You can now go on to any of these sections. I'm going to start with the drawing, draw a picture of your target number. 2/10, if I were to represent that, I could show that there are 10 rods all across here. There are 10 rods, and if I wanted 2 out of those 10, I would have to color these 2 here, which also means that I'm coloring 20 cubes out of 100, as you can see by these lines here. So 2/10 is the same thing as 20 100ths. Here I have to answer how many tenths there are. In this case there are 2. How many hundredths? There are 20, as we saw in this drawing. We can write it as a decimal now. 2/10 as a decimal would be written like this, because this is our tenths position. If you want to write how many hundredths, you could do that and you're not changing the value. 2/10 is the same as 20 hundredths. Finally, you're going to represent the target number using the coins below. Try as many different ways as you can. What is the least amount of coins you can use? To find the least amount of coins, you always start with the biggest value. In this case, the 25-cent piece is too large. We only want 20 cents. So we could go to the next value, which are tens. I would need 2 of these to equal 20 cents. That was one way. If I want to demonstrate a second way, I could go to a different value here. If I go to 5 cents, how many nickels would I need to make 20? 5, 10, 15, 20. I would need 4. So 4 of these is another solution. You could play around with these. You could say 1 dime, which is 10 cents. And you could say 1 nickel, which would leave us to 15 cents. And then you could add 5 of these pennies, which now gives us a total of 20, which is what we wanted. So there's several ways of showing it. If you were to show 3 ways, that would be sufficient for this session. Thank you.